Hey guys, and welcome to Cooking with Tyrant Kings. My name is Chef Carla, and we're going to defog some goggles today. For this, you're going to need goggles, dish soap, and a cloth or a rag. Okay, so to start, put a single drop of dish soap on both sides of the goggle lenses. Then rub it all over the lenses. Now we're going to let it sit for 45 minutes to an hour. Here's what I made earlier. Once your goggles are done sitting, you need to wipe off the lenses with your t-shirt or rag. Now you've got defogged goggles. Now if anyone tries to sneak up on you, they've got no chance. I'm Carla from Tyrant King's Milsim. Thanks for watching.
Crikey! As you can see, what we have here is what we call a nublet in his natural environment. He's all fuckered up and has his head so far up his own ass, he forgot to defog his goggles.
187 to the fucking ops.
Get afraid of murder sound. Get afraid of murder sound. Get afraid of murder sound. Get afraid of murder sound.